Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace. Let's jump right into it. Today we're starting off with a model straight hair. It's pre-looped, it's Yaki hair, and it is 14 inches. I'm working on a half up, half down style, and I am super excited about it. The things you'll need for this style are a comb and a brush, bobby pins and hair clips, Eco Gel for smoothing your hair down, and something to moisturize your hair with, rubber bands, I use the black ones, and a latch hook. Once your hair is secured down, you can open up your pack. This pack has 3 times as much hair as a normal pack. So I counted off the sections and it looks like there's 17 or 18 pieces per section, and there's 3 sections per pack. Usually packs have about 24 pieces per section, but I counted and that's what I got, 17 to 18 per section. Now, one of the things that I did notice on the YouTube videos that I watched about hair like this is that the ladies who use this hair take off the band at the top. That was a mistake. Don't take off the band until you get to the part at the very front where you're going to do your invisible parts. Taking off this band makes the hair looser, so when you comb through your hair sheds more. Do not take off the band. I repeat, do not take off the band. This actually helps the hair stay better in your head, and it looks a little more neat. And when you comb through your hair, the hair won't shed as much. At this point, you can proceed with your regular crochet method. stick your latch hook in, pull the hair through, and then loop it. I didn't do a double knot, I just did a single knot. That worked out fine. If I had to go back and do it again, I may have done a double knot. At this point, I've used a third of a pack, and I'll show you the back so you can see how much hair is in my head. As you can see, I have some windows that I need to close, so I'm trying to stagger the hair so it's not too bulky. At this point is when I realized that it's better to leave the band on, so I just made the loop a little bit bigger by moving the band down, and then once the hair is in my head, I can tighten that band back up, and the hair is much more secure. I have to tell you, I was a little worried about the straight hair and making sure that my own hair was covered, and it took a little bit of work. This style took me about 2 hours, but I really do love it now that I'm done. The process wasn't hard. I just took my time. I used a mirror. I got up and went to my bathroom to look in the mirror to check the back of my hair, and it really did come out great. So as you can see, I'm loosening it up, but I'm not pulling the band off. And when I'm done, I'm tightening that band back, and that hair is so secure. At this point, I've used a full pack and I've gone about halfway up my head. So now this is where I start the invisible part method. So where the part is in my head, I put the hair in, but when I loop it, I only take half of the hair and loop it. So it kind of covers up the knot of the hair. I'll be honest, it doesn't cover it up as well as if the hair was curly. So I actually ended up leaving a little bit of my hair out to go over it. So that's all the leave out that I had when I was done with this style. The straight hair does not cover up the knot as well as the curly hair. That's the only downside to this style. My arms were so tired. I went to the gym and then I came home to do this style. And having my arms up, oh my gosh, my arms really did get tired. This is the first style that I did a video for where I wasn't sure the direction that I wanted to go with the hair. I had never used this hair before. This is my very first time. So I knew I wanted hair in the top, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to leave it loose, like a ponytail, or put it in a bun. But at this point, I'm just looping hair to go into my ponytail. My hair is a little bit shorter than this hair, so it's tough to know what it's going to look like whenever I'm done. At this moment, I decided that I was going to leave the ponytail out and I was going to blend my hair with the crochet hair. So I put my flat iron on a low setting and I just flat ironed my hair a little bit. Because I am transitioning to natural, my ends really aren't that big of a deal for me right now because they are still straight. So I just straighten my ends just so it kind of matches with the crochet hair, and then I could have a ponytail and it would look really, really cute. I liked the feel and the look of the crochet hair, and I did not try to flat iron it. I don't think that I can, so I didn't do that. More than likely, it can only be flat ironed on a very low setting.